actually FaceTimed with Peter Schiff yesterday, right over there during the Bitcoin conference. He was walking on the beach in Puerto Rico, and I said to him that we missed him.
I think he just wanted to protect it. Barack Obama's economic advisor, Austin Goolsbee, said that he wishes they had killed it when it was a cub, essentially. But it's too late now. So Satoshi was right that they were looking, but obviously they didn't take it with, they didn't respect it yet. So they thought it was just a little cub that looked so cute and adorable, and it's no threat.
Aeronautics, is that the right word? Yeah, aeronautics, because I think a lot of people are trying to figure out what's outside of this world quite literally. So there's a lot of space exploration going on right now, so that's something I'm really looking forward to, and how cryptocurrency, blockchain is really going to play a role in that, because like we know, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, it's borderless.
First change I would make if I bought 10% of Twitter is I would rewrite the code of conduct or community guidelines to be in accordance with the US Constitution. Support free speech is what I would do.
Okay, my number one advice would be to show up every single day. Even if you don't think there's any breaking news that you can cover, there's always content that you can put out. The best thing to do is to show up every single day. Consistency matters.
I think stock to flow is a good meme, right? I think like it got me and several others like interested in the space. I don't think it should be followed like on a trading perspective, right? I don't think you should be following it for day-to-day price movements. But I do think just the general concept or meme, as I just called it, if you will, of the fact that as Bitcoin becomes more scarce, the price increases. I think that's a valid argument, and I think that's what the model is trying to illustrate. The methodology behind it is solid in the sense that just like as scarcity increases, price increases.
I think that the Fed is stuck this time, and I think most people expect them to quickly pivot if the markets crash and to get back into quantitative easing. This time is different though, and I really mean that, because inflation is way higher than it has been in the past. And so they're stuck between a rock and a hard place. They can't raise rates like they have done in the past. They can't get highly accommodative like they did in the past nearly as soon. So I think they're going to let it run for longer, let the markets get hammered for longer this time around. And I think it's going to affect equities. I think it's going to affect real estate. It's going to definitely affect, I think, Bitcoin as well, just because Bitcoin is still considered a risk-on asset by the majority of market participants.
We have to just be nice. We have to be kind, we have to be nice, we have to showcase like we're not going to be mean to you, we're not going to be nasty to you, because there's a lot of that like really ugly bro mentality. A lot of the dudes online, they trash women, especially in crypto, they say terrible things, and we just have to stop doing that.
Probably I'd say a book called The Gold Wars by Ferdinand Lips. It's not about Bitcoin, but it is about Bitcoin.
That's a perennial question, isn't it? That people ask that all the time. I think that Bitcoin and Satoshi are coming from the future. That's why he's anonymous, is because we haven't reached the Bitcoin singularity yet, when the face of Satoshi is revealed. And we've had this quest for the beginning of time. It's taken many guises. 2,000 years ago, there was a Christ figure that appeared, then disappeared, and then Satoshi is probably whatever Christ purported to be, or any mythical being, or any cosmic soul that represents unity with cosmic consciousness is been with us since the beginning, and we're heading toward that with every block. I think around block 300,000, the Bitcoin became self-aware, and now probably within the next 100,000 blocks or so, we'll see the face of Satoshi, and everything will finally be revealed.
I ain't got a fucking any idea. I don't know. Just ask what comes into your head, and don't try and be someone you're not. That's all I could think. I'm just me. So if you think I'm good, I'm just being me.